Let's take a look at the technological process and consider a medium-capacity ECOMILL model as an example. It is the most suitable mill for production of high-quality eco flour. The grain is fed to the receiving bin and gets on the scalper, which separates bigger admixtures. Then grain is transferred to the destoner, which separates big and small stones, bolts, nuts, and other foreign materials of the grain size but heavier in weight. After that, grain passes the first stage of cleaning from dust and light admixtures in the air separator. Reel-type sieve separator is highly efficient. It removes almost all sand from the grain and partially removes broken kernels which may be contaminated and shouldn't be ground. Indented cockle remover scrapes off admixtures shorter than wheat grains, which is very important for reaching high values of flour whiteness. Then the grain is once again cleaned from dust and light admixtures at the second air separator, and afterwards it is transferred to the damping screw conveyor. After tempering the grain, it is once again broken off in the impact device to remove softened husks and passes the final cleaning from dust and light admixtures in the air separator. Then it undergoes magnetic cleaning to remove foreign metal material, and finally the grain gets to the first roller mill for grinding. Simple adjustment and grinding space stability is the main advantage of ECOMILL's roller mill. Unique design of the air centrifugal dresser enables to minimize vibration, equipment dimensions, and power consumption. This is how quickly and easily ECOMILL Roller Grinder enables to produce excellent baking flour. Convenient design of the sack filling section of the ECOMILL Roller Grinder enables flour bagging transfer to the automatic packing line or channeling to the bulk storage.